Hi, my name is Matt Larson. We're here at InfoComm 2026. I want to show you some cool products with KLANG. Now KLANG is, a simple way to think about it, it's a personal mixer. So it allows me to actually give a physical controller or an iPad or even both the iPad and the physical controller so a musician can individually control his own mix. It's great for theater, for houses of worship. We have a front of house guy mixing and also trying to mix monitors. I can put some of the tasks back on some of the musicians. So in order to do this, we have audio engines that we need. So I can put a DMI card right in the back of a DiGiCo desk right here, if you wanted to. So that's just the DMI KLANG card. Or if you wanted to, you've got a couple other audio engines. This is the KLANG Vocal that will allow me to do 64 inputs with 12 stereo mixes. This is the KLANG Conductor. This will allow me to do 128 channels with 16 stereo mixes. But in addition, you can cascade multiple units if you need, more musicians. Now we also have another cool box. This is what's called the KLANG 1 and the KLANG 1 Pro. What this is, it's basically 64 channels of audio can come to it with one stereo mix. So the nice thing about that is an engineer can actually fly with this in his backpack, simply feed it MADI or Dante, and I can even use it as a MADI to Dante converter, as well as I can just plug in a USB-C right to my laptop. So this would allow me to have one KLANG stereo mix. So it's a great way to demonstrate it or just to use it on your key musicians. So that's the KLANG 1 Pro has MADI and Dante. The KLANG 1 has just MADI. Okay. Another box I want to show you is this piece right here. This is called the KLANG XTM. And what that does is it will take Dante and MADI in, and it converts to 16 channels of the John Stadius 32-bit output cards. So these 16 channels can be analog, or I could take any two channels and make it an AES pair in any combination. So that's the KLANG XTM converter. So just think of it also as a Dante to MADI converter as well. So that is the KLANG system. Feel free to check it out on the website, klang.com. Have a great day, everybody.